Welcome to the Solax Instructional Installation video series. We will guide you through the installation and commissioning of Solax Hyper EVC. Before the installation, we kindly request you take a look at the user manual. Please note the following conditions are met. For the screenless version, temperatures need to be from -30 to 50 degrees. Humidity needs to be between 5 and 95%. Altitude cannot be higher than 2,000 meters. Install the EVC at a maximum back tilt of 5 degrees. The EVC cannot be tilted forward, inverted, excessive back tilted or side tilted. Please prepare the following tools before the installation. Open the package and check the materials and accessories according to the following list. Solax EVC G2 offers different installation options. Please decide the application scenario before installation. It can communicate with the inverter or connect directly to the CT. It also supports a parallel diagram with a maximum number of parallel machines of 20. Draw the location of the screws with a marker and drill the holes with a drill press. For plug type, these two holes are recommended to be drilled horizontally with the top of the cable hook. For wire connection, strip the cable by wire stripper. Use a crimping tool to squish the terminal. Then use a heat gun to blow the tubing. Connect L1, L2, L3, N and PE to the corresponding phase sequence. Put the lid on and tighten the screws. Install the RJ45 terminal plate. Insert the communication cable through the waterproof plug and connect them to the corresponding port. Put the top cover on. Tighten the side screws. Please note that the arrow on the CT must point at the public grid when using the 3-phase CT. Please clip the CT clamps on the corresponding phases. Turn on the RCBO and check the status of the LED indicator.